camera, baby. No, no.
Show them how you do it, Mia. She's so young to do things that good. I don't remember you guys bouncing at 5 months. Not like that. Look at her legs. Oh, she's so funny. Go, Mia. You're gonna rock that chubby right off of you.
No.
That's hilarious. Okay, say bye-bye.
That was Mia jumping at age 5.5 months. That was Mia jumping at age 5.